So, hi YouTubers, this is the Hello Kitty girl here on making another vlog, just to really tell you, what happened, like my day today, and to show you an outfit of the day. So, so silent. I have my TV on. So today, I had school from 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. and I took the bus to the mall after school, and I just had to go to the mall to get hair ties and to get bus tickets and to renew my library book and pay off my late fees. So yeah, that was my whole entire day. Not really anything too much exciting. It's really cold outside and it was raining and stuff. See? Oh. Yeah. And it was freezing rain. It was windy. Fun. Not really. Good thing I didn't have to walk much anywhere. So, I guess later on I'll probably be, I don't know, I kind of want to clean my room and get rid of some stuff that I don't need anymore. And yeah, because this room's looking like a mess. So I'm going to show you a outfit of the day. So, I don't know if you can see. Okay, so this is the top part. I have my Playboy Bunny piece shirt. I got it someplace in Toronto. I don't remember the name of the store, but I got it for $11. And just a American Eagle tank top underneath. I don't really shop at American Eagle anymore because sometimes their stuff is really expensive. Well, they are expensive. So mostly I shop at Urban Planet and Stitches and stuff like that. Oh, and Hot Topic also. For the bottoms, ow, foot cramp. I have these grayish skinny jeans, and I got them from Sirens, like probably 4 years ago. Seriously, I do need to get rid of these. I don't even fit them anymore, but I still wear them. I really didn't wear. And on top of that, on top of the shirt, I wore this over for warmth under one of my jackets. I like to layer a lot, and it's super cute. It was from Urban Planet. I got it for Christmas, and it has this like little dinosaur thingy. It's like a little dinosaur. I didn't have much accessories today. I went bare. Generally to class I go bare because I don't have time to put all my stuff. I'm lazy and tired during the week. So I had this Jack Skellington hat. I got it from Hot Topic. I don't remember where it's from. I mean, I don't remember how much it was. So, and it's reversible. You can do white or black, and then the white eyes, and yeah. So yeah, and like I said, my hair is really curly because when it rains outside, it makes your hair go crap. So yeah, leave me suggestions and on some topics, like serious topics I can talk about. I'm thinking of a few. I just have to, like, you know, think of what I'm going to say first, plan it out. But if you guys want to leave me some suggestions, or also you can leave questions, because I'm going to start doing a Q&A, and I can only do that if people give me questions to answer. You can follow me on, like, tweet me on Twitter. I believe my name is shoot. I think you can. Okay, this is difficult. I don't even remember my Twitter name. I'm sorry, I don't remember it. Okay, I'm just gonna look it up. Twitter. Okay. So it sorry guys. It's Andrea. A little X, like it has XOXO, and it's 3 little X's and 3 O's. So it's like sorry. So it's my name, and then you do crap, it's backward. So I'll just do the O's and the X's. I'll figure all the Twitter stuff, but as I said again, you can just leave your questions and suggestions down below, and don't forget to subscribe and like and thumbs up this video. Okay, so I'm gonna go and clean my room, or I might nap. Okay, see you later. Peace.